Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to create a personal portfolio using Bootstrap Studio. So what is Bootstrap Studio? It is a software for designing and prototyping websites come with a large number of built-in components which you can drag and drop to assemble your responsive web pages. As it is a paid software, to avail the software for free, you can get through using GitHub Student Developer Pack. For availing this pack, you should have a GitHub account which is registered through your college mail ID, or else you can change the settings of your existing account to your college mail ID. For that, first go to your profile and then just click on the email section, and you can see the primary account which is my college mail ID. You can also change by clicking on the primary email address and then click on the save option. Then automatically it changes. Once you have completed this part, then just go to the GitHub Student Developer Pack and then click on the Get Your Pack and then click on the Get Student Benefits. As you can see this interface, because I have already enrolled, if you are new to this, you just have to enter your college mail ID and the institution name and why do you want to use this facility. And you have to answer for this question and then just click on the continue, and within a few minutes you will get a GitHub developer pack access details to your mail ID. And if you're already an existing member of this pack, then you can directly click on the benefit section. You can see that there are so many other softwares where you can get for free. To avail Bootstrap, just click on the Bootstrap. So we have to sign in with GitHub. I have signed in, and now for downloading you can directly click on and select the OS. Yeah, you can see that it is downloading. Once the downloading part is completed and you open for the first time, you have to enter the license key. So now we will see the remaining part in Bootstrap Studio.